टुडे आज हम कौन स्टार्ट करिया चेकिंग द डायमेंशनलिटी ऑफ checking the dimensionality of or dimensional consistency of an equation. Consistency of an equation. So first of all हमें डायमेंशनल कंसिस्टेंसी चेक करिया पे गोटे इक्वेशन लो. Now for a physical equation to be dimensionally correct, the dimension of all the term in the left hand side dimension of left hand side should be equal to dimension of right hand side. So this we will check how the dimension of left hand side with the help of an question example. Okay, now the example नहीं कि बुझे how the dimension of LHS is equal to dimension of RHS. So example is, let us check the dimensionality accuracy of the equation. Let us check the dimensionality accuracy of an equation. The equation हमको given है फिजिकल इक्वेशन तार डायमेंशनलिटी ठीक अच्छी कि नहीं तो डायमेंशनली कंसिस्टेंसी हमें चेक करिया. सो दिस गिवन इक्वेशन इज एस इक्वल टू यूटी प्लस हाफ एटी स्क्वायर. ओके, यार डायमेंशनल it is dimensionally correct or incorrect, we will check. Now in this quantities dimension of different, in this equation dimension of different quantities are कौन कौन हो dimension of s, dimension of s, this will be length. Now dimension of ut, u रहला l t minus 1 and t ro t, you will get l t to the power 0. So this is dimension of l. Okay, again dimension of half at square. So dimension of half at square will be, half is a constant, it is dimensionless. तो a रो dimension है लगे थे lt minus 2 and t square t square. So this is dimension of length. So here we have checked the dimension of left hand side is equal to dimension of the right hand side. Okay, so we can write dimension of left hand side is equal to dimension of right hand side. So this physical equation, so this equation is dimensionally correct. Hence this equation, okay, hence this equation is dimensionally correct. We will check this. I would example लेके check करिवा this equation, physical equation is dimensionally correct or not. Problem 1, check whether the following equation is dimensionally correct. Check whether the following equation is dimensionally correct or not. So the given equation we have is half mv square equal to mgh. First we will start with LHS, left hand side. So left hand side, what will be the dimension? Dimension of half mv square this will be half is dimensionless, dimension of m is m, v square रहला lt minus 1 to the power 2. So this will be m l square t minus 2, m l square t minus 2. Similarly RHS, dimension of mgh, so mgh ର dimension केते हो? m रहला mass, g रहला lt minus 2 and h रहला length l. So this will be m l square t minus 2. So from this equation we observe dimension of LHS is equal to dimension of RHS. Hence this equation is dimensionally correct. Hence this equation is dimensionally correct. ओके बुझीगला ना ये आम कौन कले ना हाफ एम भि स्क्वायर आमको देसी एम जी एच. सो एम है मास ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट, v है वेलोसिटी ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट, g इज एक्सीलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी, h इज द पोटेंशियल एनर्जी एट सम हाइट h. सो h इज हाइट एंड हियर डायमेंशन ऑफ एम भि स्क्वायर केते हो ना m रहला मास रहला m, v रहला केते lt minus 1 लो स्क्वायर v स्क्वायर. सो देयरफॉर दिस विल बी m l स्क्वायर t minus 2. Similarly dimension of mgh केते हो ना मास रहला m and g रहला lt minus 2, h रहला l. So its dimension will be m l square t minus 2. So दीटा को डायमेंशन हम देखले दीटा क्वांटिटीज रो तो सेम रहउची जे हम जो थ्री जानले कि दिस इक्वेशन इज डायमेंशनली करेक्ट. Now check the correctness of the equation. This equation given is Fs equal to half mv square minus half mu square. So this you will check where F is force, S is displacement. F is force, S is displacement. Okay. Now we will find out the dimensions of different quantities. Different quantity dimension बाहर कर सारा पर हम कौन करिया चेक करिया डायमेंशन ठीक अछि कि नहीं. So dimension of F हला केते LHS, LHS रे डायमेंशन केते हो dimension of Fs. So this will be mlt minus 2 into S रे dimension length. So this will be ml square t minus 2. Now RHS dimension of half mv square, half mv square dimension. So this will be equal to dimension of half is dimensionless, so m into lt minus 1 whole square. So this will be m l square t minus 2. Similarly, dimension of half mu square, dimension of half mu square, ub velocity. So यार dimension केते हवा? So half is dimensionless, mass रहला m, u रहला lt minus 1 square. So this will be m l square t minus 2. So here also you observe dimension of LHS is equal to dimension of RSS, that is m l square t minus 2. यार आसला केते m l square t minus 2 fs रो, and half mv square रो भी आसला केते m l square t minus 2, and half mu square रो भी तुम देखलो m l t minus 2. So this equation is dimensionally correct. Next question, find the dimension of A and B. Find the dimension of A and A by B. Okay. In the equation, F equal to A root x plus F equal to A root x plus bt square. Where F is force, okay, and x is distance, t is time. X is distance, t is time. एटा हम बाहर करिया. So what is the rule to find out this? एटा बाहर करिया पे हमर रूल कोन अछि देखिए. So here dimension of f केते आसियो? Dimension of f जहा हो dimension of a root x से आओ. Now dimension of f केते हम जानि छु ना, dimension of a हमर बाहर करिया अछि. So a will be equal to f रा dimension जा हितो divided by root x. Okay, so this will be f रा dimension हम जानछंती m l t minus 2 divided by l to the power half. So this will be m l to the power 1 minus half. So this will be half t minus 2. So this is dimension of A. Similarly, dimension of F is equal to dimension of bt square. So dimension of F केते? Okay, dimension of B बाहर करिया में, B will be F by t square. So this will be mlt minus 2 divided by t square. So this will be mlt minus 4. Okay. So dimension of B केते जो mlt minus 4. ना हमार बाहर करिया अछि dimension of A by B. So A by B केते जो? So A by B will be A रो dimension m l to the power half t minus 2. So m l to the power half t minus 2 divided by m l t minus 4. m l t minus 4. So this is equal to mm कटि जीवो m to the power 0 l to the power half minus 1. This is minus half and t to the power minus 2 plus 4 t square. So you will get m0 l to the power minus half t ro square. Okay. Similarly, you can find out the dimension of A by B. A by B रो dimension तब बाहर कर दे पारियो. Then next is the distance covered by a particle in time t. First एटा करियो. The van der Waals equation of gas. The van der Waals equation of gas. Okay. This is given by P plus A by V square okay. B minus B, this is B minus NB, this is equal to RT. Okay. P plus A by V square, B minus B, this is RT. Okay. It is पचारि dimension of, find dimension of A and B. Find dimension of A and B. So it कौन हो ना P plus A plus B square dimension of P जहाँ हो dimension of A by B square से हो. So लिख पर dimension of P is equal to dimension of A by B square. So dimension of P is equal to dimension of A by B square. So dimension of A कितने हो P into B square. Okay. So here P कितने P रो dimension कितने force per unit area. So this is mLT minus 2 divided by L square. So which is equal to mL minus 1 T minus 2. So this is mL minus 1 T minus 2 into V square. V रो dimension कितने LQ. So LQ to the power 2. So this will be m L minus 1 T minus 2. So L to the power 6. Okay. So this will be m L to the power 5 T to the power minus 2. So this is the dimension of A. Next is dimension of V जहाँ हो जेहेतु तुम्हें V रू B को माइनस करूँ okay. So dimension of V will be dimension of B. So B रो dimension इठो हमें बाहर कर दे परिया कितना हो ना dimension of B will be V रो dimension LQ ना पचार में dimension of A और B बाहर गला okay. The SI unit of A कितने हो A रे SI unit हो mass रो कितने kg length रहा मीटर फिफ्थ बाय टाइम स्क्वायर कितना हो सेकंड स्क्वायर kg मीटर फिफ्थ बाय सेकंड स्क्वायर यार डायमेंशन कौन हो लेंथ रो क्यूब यानी मीटर क्यूब. सो दिस इज द SI यूनिट ऑफ A एंड B. ओके बुझीगला. Next is the distance covered by a particle in time t. The distance covered by a particle in time t is given by okay x equal to A plus BT plus CT square ओके प्लस dt क्यू एमती देछि तुमको इक्वेशन देन फाइंड द डायमेंशन ऑफ ABCD फाइंड डायमेंशन ऑफ A B C and D. Okay, so first we will use this dimension of x जहाँ हम dimension of a से हम so dimension of f कितना हो ना dimension of x that is l. Next dimension of bt जहाँ हम dimension of x से हम this is dimension of x is equal to dimension of bt. So b रो dimension कितना हो x by t that is length by time, so this is lt minus 1. Next dimension of x जहाँ हो dimension of ct square से हो. Okay, so dimension of x will be equal to dimension of ct square. So dimension of c8 कितने हो so this will be dimension of x by t square, so this is length by time square, so this will be equal to lt minus 2. So এটা আমার कितना हो lt minus 2. Similarly dimension of x is equal to dimension of dt cube. So d रो dimension कितना हो dimension of d will be dimension of x divided by t cube, so this will be x, dimension of x is l, t रो cube, so this will be lt minus 3. This will be l t minus 3. So similarly you can find out a b c and d. a रो बाहर केते length, b रो बाहर lt minus 1, c रो lt minus 2, d रो हला lt minus 3 एमती बाहर कर दे पारियो. Next question, find the dimension of a into b across b in the equation तुमको कौन दे e equal to b minus x square by lt एटा देछि इक्वेशन. सो ये ट्रिक तुम्हारा कौन डायमेंशन ऑफ e इंटू डायमेंशन ऑफ 80. फर्स्ट बार करिए हमें डायमेंशन ऑफ b जहाँ हम डायमेंशन ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर से हो, तो डायमेंशन ऑफ b कितना हो ना l स्क्वायर. नेक्स्ट डायमेंशन ऑफ e into 80 will be dimension of b. So e into 80 है dimension of b, तो a हो केते dimension of b by 80 that is l square. फर्स्ट लिख दो dimension of b into e by t. So this will be dimension of b हम बाहर कले l square, e रहला केते m l square t minus 2 and into t. So l square कैंसल है जो ऊपर को m पड़े वो m minus 1 रे t minus 2 plus 1 t minus 1 एटा ऊपर को पड़ेला m minus 1 t1. So what is the dimension of a into b? So dimension of a into b will be, this will be a रहला m minus 1 t1 into dimension of b L square. So this will be m minus 1 L square T1. Kete m minus 1 L square T1. This will be the dimension of A into B. बुझीगला क्लियरली? Next is deducing relation among the physical quantities. Deducing relations among the physical quantities. So which physical quantities physics तुम जो quantities सब यूज करूँ okay, like distance, velocity, acceleration, time, जो quantities सब तुम यूज करूँ ता भितर गोटे आम रिलेशनशिप बाहर करिया among the physical quantities. So आमको कौन देछि given ना derive an expression for the centripetal force F acting on a particle. Derive an expression for centripetal force acting on a particle okay, acting on a particle of mass m moving with velocity v with radius radius दे दीजिए तुमको r in a circle of radius r. Velocity v in a circle of radius r. So first it हम कौन करिया ना centripetal force हमको देछि is directly proportional to m to the power a mass ऊपर डिपेंड करछि आ का ऊपर डिपेंड करछि velocity ऊपर डिपेंड करछि third radius of the circle r ऊपर डिपेंड करछि. So it हम लिख दे परिबा f will be equal to a constant k into m to the power a v to the power b r to the power c. So this is equal to ना ये हमें कौन करिबा ना डायमेंशन ऑफ डिफरेंट राइटिंग डायमेंशन ऑफ डिफरेंट क्वांटिटीज. डायमेंशन ऑफ डिफरेंट क्वांटिटीज. सो व्हाट इज डायमेंशन ऑफ एफ एफ रा डायमेंशन में तुम जानि छ ml t minus 2 m रो हला केते m v रो lt minus 1 and r रो हला केते l. Now write this dimension. So f रो हला केते ml t minus 2. This is equal to dimension of k is 1 dimensionless m to the power a lt minus 1 to the power b r l to the power c. So equating the coefficients of ना first time लिख दो m1 l1 t minus 2 एटी केते जो m to the power a l to the power b plus c t to the power minus p equating the coefficients exponents of mlt respectively. Equating द कोफिशिएंट्स ऑफ MLT ऑन बोथ साइड्स m रो जहाँ पावर थी एपटे m रो जहाँ पावर थी ताकू इक्वेट करिया l रो जहाँ पावर थी l रो जहाँ राइट साइड रे पावर थी ताकू इक्वेट करिया एंड t रो सिमिलरली पावर इक्वेट करिया इक्वेटिंग द एक्सपोनेंट्स of m l and t respectively आमे कौन पाइबा ना पाइबा a equal to 1 b plus c is equal to 1 and minus b equal to minus 2 so एठी मु पाई गले a equal to 1 b equal to 2 and 2 plus c is equal to 1 so c equal to minus 1 so c is equal to minus 1 so substitute these values in this equation 1 I will get f equal to k m to the power 1 b to the power 2 r to the power minus 1 so f हे गला केते k mb square by r so k value is 1 no? Then this quantity will become f is equal to mb square by r so this is your required centripetal force acting on a body of particle mass m moving in a circle of radius r moving with velocity v clear this much next is consider a simple pendulum pendulum having bob attached to a string having a bob attached to the string attached to the string that oscillate under action of force of gravity under force of gravity suppose the time period of oscillation of simple pendulum suppose the time period depends on का ऊपर डिपेंड करू फर्स्ट इज mass m of the bob second length L of the string okay and third one is acceleration due to gravity acceleration due to gravity that is g okay so derive an expression for a time period टाइम पीरियड पे इक्वेशन बाहर करिया सो टाइम पीरियड पे बाहर करिया तो टाइम पीरियड एठी हम का ऊपर डिपेंड करछ सेटा देखिया पड़ियो तो टाइम पीरियड का ऊपर डिपेंड करछ मास ऊपर डिपेंड करछ मास एंड लेंथ एल ऊपर डिपेंड करछ स्ट्रिंग रो एंड एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी जी ऊपर डिपेंड करछ सो वी कैन राइट t डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू m to the power a l to the power b g to the power c. So you can write t is equal to some constant k, m to the power a, l to the power b, g to the power c. Now write the dimension of these different quantities t, m, l and g. Writing the dimension of different quantities, dimensions of different quantities. मतलब कितने मिलियो the dimension of t, m0, l0, t1, this is equal to dimension of k, this is 1. Now dimension of m, m कितने, m to the power a, dimension of l, that is l to the power b, dimension of g, this is lt minus 2 to the power c. Okay. Now equate the dimension of these quantities respectively. The exponent of mlt, so this will be m to the power a, l to the power b plus c, t to the power minus 2c. Equating exponents of mlt, m, l and t respectively. The common now a is equal to 0, minus 2c is equal to 1, so that implies c is equal to minus half, b plus c will be equal to 0. So if c is minus half, b minus half is equal to 0, that means b will be equal to half. Okay. So therefore, substituting all these value in this equation, I will get t equal to k m to the power 0, l to the power half, g to the power minus half. So this equation will become k l by 0 root over. Okay. Here the value of k experimentally it is found. Experimentally k value is found to be 2 pi. So my value will become t is equal to 2 pi l by g. So this is my required time period, 2 pi l by g. Similarly, we will do another questions. The frequency nu of vibration of a stress string nu of vibration of stress string this depends on its length, next depend करियो, next depending on the mass per unit length small m, then next is the tension T in the string. Okay. So this is depending on these three quantities. क्या ऊपर डिपेंड करछि? लेंथ ऊपर डिपेंड करछि, मास पर यूनिट लेंथ एंड टेंशन T in the string. So we can write nu is directly proportional to L to the power A, M to the power B, T to the power C. So nu will be equal to constant K, L to the power A, M to the power B, T to the power C. Now dimension of frequency kete? Frequency is 1 by time period. So this is T minus 1, M0, L0, T to the power minus 1. Okay, this is equal to dimension of K is 1. So L to the power A, mass per unit length. This is M, small m is mass per unit length. M L to the power minus 1 to the power B. T is tension in the string, that is force. M L T minus 2 to the power C. So equating exponents of MLT, equating exponents of M, L and T respectively, we will get A equal to, here I can write M to the power B plus C, L to the power A minus B, T to the power minus 2C. Okay, so B plus C value कितना हो? This is 0. A minus B value is 0. Minus 2C is minus 1. So it will be C value is equal to half. So C value here is half. Substitute this value in equation 1. So B plus half is equal to 0. That means B is equal to minus half. Next equation, A minus B is equal to 0. So A minus B is equal to 0. B तुम्हें जानछो is equal to minus half. So A minus of minus half is equal to 0. So A will become A plus half. One minute. M to the power B, L to the power A minus B plus C. A minus B plus C. A minus B plus C is equal to 0. So here plus half. So minus of minus 1. Next one is plus half is equal to 0. Plus C is equal to 0. So this will be A plus 1 is equal to 0. A will be equal to minus 1. Now substitute all these value, we will get in this equation कौन पाएगा ना nu is equal to K L to the power A minus 1 M to the power B, B value minus half and T to the power C, T to the power minus plus half. So this will be K by L T by M root over. So nu will be K by L 2 by M root over. So this is the required equation for the frequency of the stress string. Stress string ro frequency value etiki. So for you one homework, the wavelength lambda associated with moving electron, the wavelength lambda associated with a moving electron Okay, electron depends on its mass, its velocity, mass, velocity, okay, and Planck's constant. Proves dimensionally, prove that dimensionally P is h by mv, lambda is h by mv. Prove dimensionally lambda is directly proportional to h by mv. So today is this much. So जहाँ पढ़ाई गला बुझी परल तो basic on these examples will solve this problem, so you will be better clear.